Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this dual lighting effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have a dual lighting effect. First, click on the adjustment layer icon under the layer panel and select gradient. Change the angle to 180 degrees. Click on the gradient map, and it will open the gradient editor. Now, click on the left side color stop to enable stops, and then click on the color to change it. I will choose a pink color and click OK. Now, drag the color stop to the right side to distribute the color to the left side. Adjust the stop accordingly as per your preferences and click OK. Then, again click on the adjustment layer icon under the layer panel and select gradient. Change the angle to 0 degrees. Click on the gradient map, and it will open the gradient editor. Now, click on the left side color stop and click on the color to change it. Here, I choose a greenish yellow color and click OK. I won't change the color distribution here, and click OK. You can adjust the color distribution according to your chosen image. Now, select both gradient layers by holding the Ctrl key and change the blending mode from normal to overlay, soft light, or color, according to your chosen image and preferences. You can adjust the color distribution by double-clicking on the gradient layers accordingly. Now you will have achieved the desired dual lighting effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.